So having based ourselves at the Orchard Lodge, which is southwest of Scarborough, close to Caton Bay, but also a very good base to do all of the Yorkshire Coast. Be you go from here up to Whitby, or you go from here down to Bridlington. Now, not too far away from the Orchard Lodge, you've got the Fox and Hounds pub. Again, with loads of parking, food daily, refreshments. So if you're staying there, that's where you can eat on a night if you wish to do so. So as we head away and we head towards the coast, you turn to the right here, you take the right fork, which is going to take us down to Bridlington. The Yorkshire coastline, full of smugglers, bringing in all the illegal wares, the brandy and the wine and everything, no doubt. I bet there was lots going on in those days. In fact, there's lots going on these days, never mind those days. So we come down and we're going to be turning right on the main road here, which is the A165, and it's the Scarborough, Bridlington and Hull main road. And what we're going to do is turn right here, turn left. We're going to take in Bempton Cliffs. Now, Bempton Cliffs is an RSPB reserve, which is quite famous. Thousands of seabirds. Plus also it takes you off a boring main A road onto the back roads, so you can just enjoy yourself. That's what it's all about. And we're now coming into the East Riding of Yorkshire. So we've now left North Yorkshire and we're now in the East Riding of Yorkshire. Coming into the little village of Buckton. Please drive carefully. Okay. And which then takes us into Bempton, which is where Bempton Cliffs is. We turn left here to head towards Bempton Cliffs. So there's the RSPB centre over there. To walk down to here, bring your binoculars and spend the day. So that's a nice little diversion. Instead of just shooting off down on the A road down to Bridlington, come down the back road, get yourself to Bempton and go to the RSPB centre at Bempton Cliffs. Coming back down from Bempton Cliffs, we turn left and head towards Flamborough now, where we're going to go down onto Flamborough Head. Here we are now coming into the outskirts of Flamborough. I have to say it's quite a nice place to visit. As you can see on the sign here, it turns left to Flamborough on the B1229, and that's the road that we want to take. Don't keep going down to Bridlington. And then just a little bit further down here we're going to turn left, which is going to take us down to Flamborough Head. Nice place there where you can buy your crabs and your lobsters freshly boiled. There's quite a few places that you'll come across in this region that more or less sell from the doorstep the produce that they've caught out at sea. So we've only come about 2 miles down the coast from Bempton Cliffs. So it's entirely up to you which area you want to come to. So there you have it. Flamborough Head. Walk down onto the beach, watch the seabirds. Little cobble there that's brought his catch in. There's another one further out. Quite impressive really, isn't it? Loads of parking. So there's no worry there. Toilets. And also a bloody good cafe as well. So it's a very popular area to come. And as you can see, it's not as busy as Bempton Cliffs either. So that's Flamborough Head. Very impressive. Get yourself there and spend the day just chilling out. You could even get yourself fit, running from the top down to the beach and back up again a few times. Memories. So we'll continue heading away from Flamborough now, and we'll go into Bridlington. So heading into Bridlington, we come across the roundabout where you can keep going to the M62 and stuff. But we're going to turn left here. You can see the sign there, North Beach, Promenade, Town Centre and South Beach. We're going to head down towards South Beach. And one of the main reasons is, I think it's really nice. So this is where it all starts. Your hotels, your bed and breakfasts. Because really, as we go down the coastal areas, that's what the area thrives on now. It's tourism. The days of surviving on the fishing villages and the fishing industry, they're just long gone. So they promote themselves as a seaside town to come and have a break or a holiday. But that's it, we're leaving North Bay now. And we're going to go to South Bay. And there's the harbour down there on the left. Just keep following the road round to the left, because that'll take you down to the south. At this T-junction, turn left. But look at the difference on the south side. Look at the amount of people and the sands. I have to say, I prefer this area. And I'm sure there's a few people going to get a little bit upset. But I prefer this to Scarborough, because I can't even go around by bloody South Bay. But Bridlington South Bay's got lovely beach, beautiful beach. So we can turn left, having gone down there, to show you the South Bay, which I felt was very important. Beautiful beach. You know, that flat golden sand type of beach. So you've got the town there, and then you've got this beautiful beach, and this is where most people do come on holiday to Bridlington, is the South Bay area. And every road that comes off to the left as we travel up, they've got guest houses on, so you can get yourself quite close. And what we have to do is to make sure that they are motorbike friendly, of course. So as we come round again, we're going to be turning to the right here, towards Hull and Beverley. This T-junction we're going to turn left. And And there's a very famous shop down this way called the John Bull World of Rock, because they make rock. And they have a factory shop there as well, selling all the offcuts and, well, and the not offcuts. And it has a little cafe. So having turned at the roundabout and heading now towards John Bull's World of Rock. And there it is there, the John Bull World of Rock. So as I turn right and head back off towards Scarborough, I'm sure you've got your own agenda of where you will go, possibly back to one of the places we've featured being motorbike friendly. And until then, stay safe. Keep your eye open for Wazzicks who may just pull out in front of you. And hopefully one day we'll meet up and discuss our adventures. Until that day, take care. Bye bye for now.